Hello guys, today I am going to discuss how to do question answering from PDF file. Whatever I have upload a PDF uh, and OpenAPI key I will apply, and this LLM model will give the question answering. So I will start the demonstration. So first of all, here this is my project. Here there are multiple projects I have created, but I am going to explain using Streamlit. So Streamlit, everybody know the Streamlit. So here uh, first of all I am importing over import OS library, temp file library, Streamlit library, Streamlit chat, then query. Then I am going to set one title chat PDF. So here a display message, sub header is a chat, and in enumeration message, thinking spinner. So here it is the input, whatever I am going to input. See, this is my demonstration. So first of all I am refresh this thing. So here I am putting my API key here. So this is my API. Here I am going to explain my resume. So from resume I am asking some question. So I am uploading my resume. So here I am asking some question. What are the skill of skills of given resume? Okay, so enter. So here we can retrieve the keywords of whatever skills are available in the resume. So those keys are automatically retrieved through this LLM. So those are the list of whatever list are available in in, in bullet point. Okay. So ordinary data is available in bullet point. So this is the Streamlit. This is the UI of Streamlit. Nothing but it is a UI. Okay. So it is in bullet point. So right now, what is the skill of Ronak Kumar? My name is Ronak Kumar, and I am uploading my resume, my own resume. So here, so the skill of Ronak Panchal are not mentioned. Okay. Ronak Kumar skill is just 1 minute. What is the skill? This PDF is already uploaded here. PDF name. Okay. So those are the skill. Okay. What is the project name? What are the project name? What are the projects? Okay. So this is a very crucial. See, those are my project, right? Projects are coming. It is a very fine. It is automatically extraction. What is the birth date? Birth date. Okay. So this is my birth date. It is the correct answer. What is the what is an address? What is an address? So it can give the address. Oh yes, Address localization name street. Okay, address the city in my address. Okay, so it is a the city in your address is Surat. Correct answer. So what is the passport code number? Okay. So chat GPT is giving me my, oh, very good. It is a perfect answer. All right. So this is the good right example. So thank you for watching. So here it is a code. So first of all, I am display the message. Here it is a process input, and read and save the file. Whatever, suppose whatever I am uploading a PDF file, it is here. So PDF file is here. It is a uploader, file uploader, and a temporary file name temporary file. So file is available here. File is available in buffer. So OpenAPI is here less than, suppose OpenAPI is not less greater than 0, less than 0. So it is not it is not give the answer properly. So here PDF reader. So main, this one is the main. Here it is my message. Suppose if open API key is set, then it is give the PDF query. It is none, so it is not give the proper answer. So header is chat GPT. So here it is a header. So it is whatever header is available. This one is the header, chat GPT. Chat GPT is here. Open API key is here. Upload a document, browse and chat. So here we can chat. So this is a very here type document type is a PDF. You can upload in future PNG file, JPG file. So here you can use. So read and write, on change, label, visible, collapse. Right here it is a true, disable, not is open API set, injection set state. So display. So this is my small application which is in developed through chat GPT type of application I have developed through Streamlit and chat GPT through the open API key. So my API key is mentioned here in this here. So now I hope you can interest this project. Thank you so much. Please share, subscribe and comment how you can like this project. Thank you.